Okay, this week our story in our reader is the story of a bluebird. And what's the genre of this story, Gabby?
Fiction.
It's fiction. Who can tell me what the story or what fiction is, Henry? What's fiction? It's not. It's real. It's real or not real? Not real. That's right. Okay, so our story is about a bird, a little bluebird. And in this story, he doesn't want to do something.
He doesn't want to fly.
He doesn't want to fly out of the
Sky.
no, fly
The nest.
out of the tree. Why?
Because he's afraid.
He's afraid to fly. Have we all been afraid of something at one point? Okay, we have. Yeah. Okay. Well, it just so happens that our story in our vocabulary this week and next week is about art and creating art. And so we are going to create art that also has to do with our story in our reader today. When they created art in our vocabulary story, they did 3 different kinds of art. Who can name me one of the types of art? Blair?
Painting.
Painting. What was another one?
Clay.
Clay. And what was the third one?
I forgot.
You forgot?
Mobile.
It's a mobile. So we're going to make a mobile today of birds. Okay? So each one of you has a pattern for our bird mobile, right? Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we are going to cut out this shape. What is this shape?
Rectangle.
A rectangle. Now, it has dotted lines. We are not going to cut out on the dotted line. We are going to cut out the rectangle. We are going to cut out the bird's head. Now, on the dotted lines, we're going to fold, okay? So we're going to take the rectangle, we're going to fold it in the middle, like they showed us right here. And then we're going to fold down on the sides. And then we're going to fold and make triangles, okay? And then, after we have finished doing that, we're going to take our bird head and we're going to glue it and attach it to the front of it. And then we're going to punch a hole in it. And after we do that, we're going to put yarn. And we're going to have different lengths of yarn, okay? So our mobile will be different sizes to where when the wind blows, each bird will be blowing in a different direction, okay? Does that sound like fun? Sounds like fun to me today. Okay, you ready to start cutting?
Yes.
We have 4 different birds. We have a blue bird, we have a green bird, we have a yellow bird, and we have a red bird today. Okay? On your mark, get set, begin. Yes, ma'am.
You have to put blue, green, yellow, red.
You start with whichever bird you would like.
Why do you cut out this part too?
Mhm.
Isn't it going to be difficult to fold it?
No, it's not going to be difficult because we're going to fold on the dotted line. We have that one dotted line in the middle and we're going to fold there first. Okay? Miss Connie is cutting hers out at the same time so that we can all fold together.